Hello friends, hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineers. Today I have prepared a presentation on World Bicycle Day because today is 3rd June, which is we are celebrating since 2018 as Global or World Bicycle Day. So for celebrations of World Bicycle Day 2021, I am going to present you the World Bicycle Day presentations. Before going to discuss in details of the presentations, those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get up to date information of different quizzes, uh, video series on social science, current affairs, general knowledge, and video series on CT, BD, MED, and OTT, OSS, TT, CTET. So without making delay, let's discuss. Every year World Bicycle Day is observed on 3rd June. The date of June 3rd was declared as World Bicycle Day by the United Nations General Assembly in April 2018 after it acknowledged the versatility, uniqueness and longevity of the two-wheeler which has been in use for 2 centuries. The UN also took note of the fact that bicycles are also affordable, reliable, clean and environmentally fit sustainable means of transport. The day aims at promoting the use of bicycles for a cleaner environment and a healthy lifestyle. Professor, the founding of World Bicycle Day, Professor Leszek Sibiliski, Polish social scientist working in the United States, led a grassroots campaign with his sociology class to promote a UN resolutions for World Bicycle Day, eventually gaining the support of Turkmenistan and 56 other countries. The original UN blue and white June 3 World Bicycle Day logo was designed by Isaac Field and the accompanying animation was done by Professor John E. Swanson. It depicts bicyclists of various types riding around the globe. At the bottom of the logo is the hashtag June 3 World Bicycle Day. The main message is to show that bicycle belongs to and serves all of humanity. Significance of World Bicycle Day. The World Bicycle Day is a special day meant to be enjoyed by all people regardless of any characteristics. The bicycle is a symbol of human progress and advancements. Tolerance promotes tolerance, mutual understanding and respect, and facilitates social inclusion and culture of peace. The bicycle further is a symbol of sustainable transport and convey a positive message to foster sustainable consumption and production and has a positive impact on climate. World Bicycle Day is now being associated with promoting a healthy lifestyle for those with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. According to World Health Organization (WHO), safe infrastructure for walking and cycling is also a pathway for achieving greater health equity. For the poorest urban sector who often cannot afford private vehicles, walking and cycling can provide a form of transport while reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, certain cancers, diabetes, and even death. According to Accordingly, improved active transport is not only healthy, it also equitable and cost effective. Meeting of these needs of people who walk and cycle continues to be a critical part of the mobility solutions for helping cities decouple population's growth from increased emissions and to improve air quality and road safety. The COVID-19 pandemic has also led many cities to rethink their transport systems. According to SDG and physical activity. According to the WHO Global Action Plan on Physical Activity 2018 to 2030, physical activity has multiplicative health, social and economic benefits, and investments in policy action to increase physical activity can contribute to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). There are multiple direct and indirect pathways by which policies to promote physical activity through walking, cycling, sport, active recreations and play support 13 of the Sustainable Development Goal. 10 reasons why bicycles are good for our planet and health. These are the benefits or reasons why you have to ride bicycle. First one, increase bicycle use. Use means lower greenhouse gas emissions. Cycling contributes to mitigations of carbon dioxide emission as it poses an intrinsic zero emissions value. Cycling helps awareness about the local environment and sustainable consumptions and productions. According to World Health Organization, safe infrastructure for walking and cycling is also a pathway for achieving greater health equity. Cycling leads to increased cardiovascular fitness, muscle strength, and flexibility, according to fitness experts. It also improves joint mobility and helps decrease stress levels. Cycling is an age-old fun activity, truly exhilarating and liberating. Amid the pandemic, when most of us have been forced to become cows, potatoes, cycling is a great activity with family or friends if the local COVID guidelines allow. Cycling in groups gives people more time to socialize, share thoughts, and spend time together. Cycling saves money. Bikes are free to ride and a stress free mode of travel. World Bicycle Day motivational quotes. Some of these quotes which can inspire you to ride bicycles. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. Every time I see an adult on a bicycle, I no longer despair for futures of human race. As usual, riding a bicycle is about getting back to basics. It is good for the waistlines and it is good for wallet. It is what I am saying. Phil Keoghan. One of the most important days of my life was when I learned to ride a bicycle. Michael Palin. These are some photos that taken by photographers of different politicians and head of the states riding bicycles and some sports persons. First one, Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. Second one, Donald Trump. Third, Spain's Prime Ministers. Fourth one, that is Khattar, Chief Minister of Haryana, and fifth one, that is well-known Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the last one, that is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So these are the importance of details of World Bicycle Day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Bicycle Day.